is finish up our 5-2 notes. We just have this last example. We're going to get started on 5-3 as well, but we're going to finish up 5-2. So for this example, we've got some information up here at the top. It says a survey is conducted to see student interest in colleges. 21 students picked U of M. 19 picked Michigan State. 6 picked SVSU. And 4 picked CMU. We want to know what fraction of the students responded either SVSU or CMU. So who can raise their hand and tell me how many people picked SVSU? Raise your hand. How many people picked SVSU? Six. Very good. 6 people picked SVSU. Who can raise your hand and tell me how many people picked CMU? 4 people. Very good. We want to know the fraction of the students who responded either SVSU or CMU. So how many people altogether? Would be 10, right? But we have to write that as a fraction. So we know that 10 people picked SVSU or CMU. But now we have to figure out how many total people were surveyed. So if I want to know how many total people were surveyed, who can raise their hand and tell me what do I need to do? If I want to know the total people who were asked questions here. Oh, good. Okay, we need to add the 19 from Michigan State and, go ahead, the 21 from U of M. So we have to add 21 plus 19. And I think I get 21, 31, 40. And then we had 10 down here. So would you guys agree that there were 50 people altogether? Go ahead and simplify that fraction for me. So 10 out of 50 people picked SVSU or CMU. And who can raise their hand and tell me that fraction in simplest form? Yep. Well, we want it now. We already added it and we got the 50. So now what can we divide 10 and 50 by? We can do even bigger than 2. 2 would work. If they both end in a 0, divide them both by 10. Okay? Yeah. Very good. When we divide by 10, we just get 1/5 for our answer. I want you to go ahead and do this next one on your own. Decided that there were 50 people surveyed altogether. Who can raise their hand and tell me how many people did not pick U of M? I want the number of people who did not pick U of M. Close. I don't think it's 29. Is it 29? Oh, shoot. Yes, I forgot to regroup. It is 29. How did you get 29? I love it. So you added 19 plus, and then 6 plus 4 is 10, so you got 29. Did somebody do that differently? Instead of adding, there was a way you could do subtraction. Yep. Not necessarily minus 29. We have 50 students altogether, minus 21. Yep, 50 minus 21 would also work. Now, who can raise their hand and help me simplify this? We always have to simplify our fractions. How come nobody's raising their hand? Because you can't simplify. Good answer. Sometimes I might ask you a question that really doesn't relate. You can't simplify it. So we're done.